What's up everyone? I have the Axial 8-pole beadlock wheels here. Picked them up from Hobbytown. As you can see, I already have the wheel in there. These are some RC4 wheel drive Rock Creepers. I have the bead already in place in the back.
Powering off.
Sorry about that. That was my Bluetooth speaker. Anyways, so I have the bead already in place here. This is the ring. You want to make sure that you line up that ring right where the holes are. And there's a flat side to the ring, and you have kind of like a rounded side to it. You want to make sure that the flat side is what goes right on top of that lip right there. So you can make sure you line it up. You could just eyeball it. I don't know if you can see, like on the inside there, you see the hole on the wheel with the hole on the ring, and you just kind of press it in and then just kind of work the ring in. It should seat nicely in there. There we go. Nice and flush. Okay, so just make sure that all the holes are lined up. And then you're going to take your screws and you're going to put them in. And when you put these in, you don't want to tighten them all the way. What I like to do is just tighten it, I don't know, maybe about a little more than halfway. And then I'll go ahead and tighten them manually in a star pattern. Get the other screws here. Here's some nice covers that the wheels came with. That way you can put them where your wheel nut goes. That way it covers it up. Set those aside. Let's keep tightening these bad boys up. Alright, so I went ahead and tightened those. Like I said, not all the way. You can still see that there's a gap there between the ring and the wheel itself. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do the other side, get that bead in place, and put the ring on, and do the same thing that I did to the back. Alright, there we go. Grab that ring. Remember, like I said, flat side goes on the lip right there on that bead, and the rounded part goes to the top. Just go ahead and eyeball the holes there. And these wheels are very, very simple to install. I've installed other beadlock wheels that are just a pain to install, but these are not the case. It may not look like it right now, but trust me, these are really easy to put on. These wheels are not aluminum. They are, I don't want to say plastic. Axial calls it some kind of composite material, but I guess you could say they're plastic. But they're tough and they're not very light. They have a nice weight to them. The rings are aluminum, which is nice. But it's a nice little upgrade. If you don't want to spend too much money on wheels, this is a nice way to go. And I believe they sell them in 2.2s as well. I'm not entirely sure. I think they do. Alright, so that's in place. Let's go ahead and get these screws in there. I know this is not the most exciting of things to watch, but feel free to fast forward. But to those of you that have never installed a beadlock and want to watch, please continue to watch. Not everyone is a pro. Gotta start somewhere. Including myself. These wheels here that I'm getting ready are actually for a project that I have planned. I'm actually getting a SCX-10-2 RTR. I know I'm a little late to get into the SCX-10 party, but hey, better late than never, right? So I went ahead and tightened those up. Like I said, not all the way. With my driver there, with my drill. And now I'll go ahead and manually tighten them. And you want to go ahead and tighten these in a star pattern, okay? That way you don't have any loose ends here in the between the bead and the tire. You don't have any gaps or whatnot, any folds or anything. So you want to do that on both the back and the front. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Nope, wrong driver. And you don't want to over tighten these because you will end up stripping the plastic. So you want to get them nice and snug, but do not over tighten them. Alright, and then just go around and make sure that they're all nice and snug. Alright, that side should be good to go. Let's go ahead and do the same thing to the front. I'll pick these up at my local Hobby Town, local hobby shop. Guys, if you can, go out there and support your local hobby shops. Um, I'm sure you guys have all seen what's going on with Hobbyco and whatnot. Sorry, I had a little brain fart there, but yeah, like I said, everybody's seen what's going on with Hobbyco, and I see a lot of comments on Facebook pages and just comments on YouTube videos that hobby shops are closing down and whatnot. You really gotta support them, guys. You know, I mean, I know it's a lot easier to just sit down on your computer and look up whatever part you need, you know, and hit checkout, and boom, you'll have it there in a few days. But it never hurts to, hey, check out. You can even go on, let's say, Hobby Town. You can go on their website, look up your local store if you have one near you, see if they have the parts online, and just go pick it up at the store. Go buy it at the store. I do that all the time. I check to see if they have that part at the store, and I'll take the trip down to the hobby shop and pick it up. You know. So, all right. Just going around and making sure that all these are nice and tight. And they seem to be. So this wheel is done. Alright, there you have it. The Axial 8-hole 1.9 beadlocks. These are mounted on RC 4-wheel drive Rock Creepers. Came out really good. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. My name is Ron with RC Trek. Till the next one. See you guys.